There were circumstances where for one sanction post they were appointed. There were around like eight persons to the one post, my lord. Sanction post, my lord.
A computer
Where is that
operator
affidavit for a salary?
salary, it was an order by this honorable court, my lord. ಅವರು ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 2020 ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2000
Any endorsement ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, where is that endorsement?
which endorsement?
You are not
No, they were supposed to file an affidavit that order
My
is
lord,
passed and our university.
my lords, if my lords, please, my lords, at the last date of the order, at the last date of hearing, my lords, no such order was passed to file an affidavit, my lords. The only direction was to consider their representation if they are entitled for sixth pay commission salary or not, my lords, which we have done it, my lords. I'll produce it within 1 or 2 days, my lords. They passed an order, my lords.
you
If my
also
lords
serve a copy to them also.
please, my lords.
Yes. When do you want?
My lords, after vacation, my lords.
Yes, leave this matter on.
All salary was paid, my lord, for the duration which they have worked, my lords. Only they were seeking for sixth pay commission, which we have rejected it, my lords. That's the only order from this court, my lords, to consider their representation. That's all.
16 at the request of respondent. Yes.
Much obliged.
Please, my lords.
Number 47.
47, I appear for the third respondent.
Yes.
Please.
Yes, Mr. Lawrence.
Lord, this matter pertains to my lord selection to the post of staff nurse under the my lord second respondent institute. Lord, about the notification was issued by the second respondent, my lord, inviting application for the post of staff nurses in 2018, my lord. Annexure B, my lord, is the notification. The petitioner, my lord, was the examination, my lord, conducted by the KEA, my lord, Karnataka Examination Authority. And based on the merit, my lord, they have, my lord, the notified the eligible list, my lord. The name of the petitioner was, my lord, was found in the eligibility list, my lord. The page number 41, my lord, is the provisional list of the candidates. Annexure E, page 40. The name of the petitioner, my lord, is forthcoming in page 41.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner, my lord, had come out successful in the examination and her name was also included in the provisional list.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, the respondents were required to, my lord, verify the documents for finalizing the list. Lord, the 24/10/2018, my lord, the notification was issued by the respondents, my lord, in the paper, thereby calling upon the candidates to come and get their documents verified. Lord, get their documents verified. Lord, annexure, my lord, may kindly be annexure N is the list, my lord. Paper notification issued, my lord, by the respondents, wherein, my lord, just 4 days time was granted for the candidates, my lord, to get the documents verified. Kindly see, my lord, page 70, my lord, annexure N. This is the paper notification issued directing the successful candidates to appear for the verification of documents from 28 onwards. Lord, the notification was issued on 23/10/2018, and the date of verification was fixed on 28/10/2018. Lord, just no individual intimation was given, only paper notification was given. 56040
Yes.
of 2018. This Sambu 56040
Yes.
of 2018. This Sambu court, my lord, initially has passed an interim order, thereby directing that the selection and appointment of the third candidate is subject to result of the writ petition. Thereafter, my lord, the matter was heard and the respondents were directed to reconsider. My lord, the matter was heard and the respondents were directed to reconsider the case of the petition. Lord, the annexure, my lord, N page 71, my lord, is the order passed by this. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner had approached the respondents, and once again, my lord, the respondent number 2, my lord, had issued the endorsement at annexure Q dated 9/2/2021. Reiterate at annexure respondent number 2, my lord, had issued the endorsement at annexure Q dated 9/2/2021. reiterating among other things, my lord, that I have failed to appear before them for document verification. Issued only a direction to consider my representation, para 2 of the order, my lord, at page 74. The finding, my lord, at para.
Now, where is that rules or this thing? How to communicate that this thing?
Lord, after.
Huh? Where is that note?
7.
Page number?
Page number 35.
7.
That is method of claim.
Mm.
In the CH-10, that is method of claim.
Mm.
In the CH-10, there is no pen and paper for applying.
ಆಯ್ತು ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು
ಇದು
Where?
procedure for determination merit.
ಹ್ಮ್
Para 37.
ಎಸ್
My lord, my input submission is there were 251 posts that was called from by the The examination was conducted by the there were candidates around 3,000 candidates, 286 or 3,000 candidates who had applied, and even for document verification, they had come around 1,070.
No, you have put it in that website as.
Please.
Website was, my lord, notified only in October 2018. After the results were declared, my lord, they notified the but the initial, my lord, the results were declared by the KEA. We were, my lord, following the KEA website. There was no intimation in the KEA website about the document verification. Till conducting of examination and notifying the eligibility list, we were searching for the KEA result, KEA website. After the results were declared, my lord, for the first time, my lord, the second respondent has notified.
Where is that class for method of selections? Computer technique is the aggregated percentage of total marks set to computer 2 or more candidates. Order of merit in respect of position yes on the merit. Personal answer key candidates will file the objection to the.
And in fact, my lord, this matter was heard on the last occasion. There was a direction by the Sambo court, my lord, also to consider as to whether the case of the petitioner could be considered for the available vacancies by putting it in the board. The respondents, my lord, so far, my lord, have not whispered anything.
No, Mr. Siddharth, is it then a particular procedure that even KE also, I think, how to communicate the parties for this thing, scrutiny of their this thing.
Documents.
I will make that
Documents verification.
Lord, the KPSC and KEA have a same procedure where prescribed for that, Lord. I know the KPSC everything. Lord, first they will file an application, whatever there they will upload it in the website. After that, Lord, they will write an examination. After writing the examination, they will be called for the original verification. On that day, my Lord,
How it will be intimated? That's what I am asking.
Lord, that will be intimated to personally, my Lord. A letter communication will be made to them.
Individual.
They are saying every day they have to watch. What is that procedure I am asking?
That they have to make that the rules ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ
We have followed Karnataka Civil Service General Recruitment.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಂಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು
Kindly see page number 48 of the writ petition. How they have suppressed the facts. I will bring into the notice of the court. She was
Yes.
aware. She was aware
Where is that?
about the verification of the documents. That
40?
is annexure G, page number 48.
Representation made by the petitioner, my lord, annexure G.
Please.
Yes.
ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ, my lord, I am reading from typed copy, my lord, page 48.
Please.
ದಿನಾಂಕ 30/10/18ರಂದು ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶುಶ್ರೂಷಕಿ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ದಾಖಲಾತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಜರುಪಡಿಸಲು ದಿನಾಂಕವೊಂದು ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದ್ದು, ನನಗೆ ಸದರಿ ದಿನಾಂಕದಂದು ಎಡಗಾಲಿಗೆ ಮೂಳೆ ಮುರಿತದಿಂದ
Then you are aware of that.
Lord,
This
in
is
this
what
case,
my-
my lord,
No, it is not the case that you are not aware. I am on that
She
impression
aware, she
that
made a
it's
representation.
totally blank, then they can't. You are aware of totally blank, then they can't. You are aware of that, but your personal problem you can't.
that is the reason, my lord, in fact, given by the petitioner to impress, my lord.
ಎಡಗಾಲಿಗೆ ಮೂಳೆ ಮುರಿದದ್ದಾಗಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
Subsequently, my lord, in this next representation.
Earlier petition, the reason was different.
No, sorry.
What is the date of
Same annexure.
representation? What is the date of representation?
My lord, annexure J, my lord, is dated 30th November 2018, my lord.
No, you given on 5/11.
5/11, please.
Yes.
30th
First
10
present-
2018.
Yes.
Date fixed.
Improved
Alva?
version they have.
No doubt.
Before that, you have to give a representation saying that we have to be given extension. After Mugudmel Kotra.
Please.
Yes, this is something different, Mr. Yes,
Lord,
we'll have it after
511, my lord. Only 1 minute, my lord. 511,
Yes, yes, yes.
511, my
You
lord.
are
is-
not disputed that you are not aware. You are aware that.
But in that case, my lord, 1 minute. In the next case, my lord, as she has stated that she was not aware. There are
That
two
will
reasons.
see, that will see. Yes.
Any-
Now I came aware that after wasting my 10, 15 minutes.
Sorry.
Yes.
That
You
is,
could
my
have
lord,
said in that earlier itself. Yes.
Please.
Yes.
Any-
Call this matter after 2 weeks.
Member 48.
But my lord, I appear for the respondent in this case.
Yes.
But, Warehouse Corporation, my lord, I am in the panel directed to take notice, but the papers have not been furnished, my lord. It may be taken up after vacation. After getting the papers, I will have to verify and make my submission.
He is now he is in the panel. He will take notice.
Please.
Sir.
Please.
Yes.
No, the petitioners, the legal representatives of the deceased employee, Lord, they have sought for a direction to the respondent to, Lord, to release the withheld provident fund. Lord, we are given representations and all that, no decision was taken. This has been wrongly withheld. It is no.
Yes, Mr. Patil. We have
Please.
any instruction?
Or no instructions, but regarding consideration of representation is concerned, it may be, my lord, it may be
Yes,
direct.
yes.
My representation, page 56, this was filed on 7/2/2016. Thereafter, several correspondence.
Let him
My
consider.
submission is, my lord, that dishonorable court has took the view, saying that, my lord, that the gratuity and as well as the provident fund, my lord, is non-attachable. Let them reconsider, my lord, keeping in view of the, my
No,
lord,
what they now they have attached that.
no, not, they have withheld it. They have withheld the, because what had happened was,
Why? What is the reason for
the reason, was, my lord, that when he was in service, my lord, the petitioner father, wife has filed this petition. During the pendency, wife also died, my lord, only the children are before this court. Now, what had happened was, my lord, that the petitioner father, when he was working as a depot manager, there were some allegations against him during, my lord, saying that on account of, my lord, the mismanagement, there was a financial loss. Now, they did not conduct any inquiry, my lord. Later, the employee died. They ultimately, my lord, they quantified this would be the amount without, my lord, holding any inquiry, without assessing.
Which is that there is no order.
The order annexure D, my lord, your lordship kindly see. Annexure D, page 56.
Yes.
My lord, your lordship kindly see, my lord, 7,98,670. Then, my lord, group insurance, then leave encashment, and my lord, now, my lord, what was even including this, they have withheld it. 22,118 out of, my lord, this was PF amount has been withheld.
No, kaditagalu 6 lakhs.
Total 28 lakhs 54,408 has been recovered. Kaditagalu anta ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ.
28 ಲಕ್ಷ.
Yes. This they can't do it, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Patil.
Let them serve the copies, my lord. I will have to get the instructions from the corporation and I will make my submission in the matter.
Yes. You serve one more copy to.
Please.
Yes. Counsel for the petitioner is directed to serve one more set of copies to counsel appearing for the corporation. Read this matter on 23rd.
Please.
Yes.
Serial number 49 adjourned, serial number 50. Saravana is for petitioner, Shanti Bhushan.
Lords, appearing for the,
Yes.
Lords, I am appearing for the petitions, my lord.
Yes.
Lords, I am appearing for the petitions, my lords. Your lordships may recollect I had argued this matter for a while before your lordships and the matter was adjourned for the say of the other side. Lords, a very small point for your lordships consideration is, Lords,
Yes.
in 1987, after the fourth pay commission, the central
ready.
government came up. Lords, now, my colleague is there, my lords. Can I just request your lords to have a look at this judgment? Lords, all the issues which
No,
we have
that's
raised.
Mr. Ravi Shankar. They want Passover.
Very well, my lords. Let it be passed over. There is some urgency, my lords. We have argued it almost twice. They have,
Yes,
last
passed over,
occasion,
let
they only took time to find out as to whether it's covered by the two judgments which I have cited.
Yes, Mr. Passover. Let us see if time permits. Yes, Passover.
Please, my lords.
Serial number 51 adjourned. Serial number 52 Shilpa Rani for petitioner SM Paritosh. Serial number 54 Sundaresh HC.
Yes. What is this, Mr.
Lord, this is where they were working under soap and detergent, my lord. They're seeking pension, my lord. It matter needs to be heard in second connected matter. The state
Yes.
has not filed
2
an
weeks.
objection.
2 weeks.
Obliged.
Serial number 55 TA Karumbaya for petitioner Santosh S. Nagarale.
Yes, madam.
My lord, this is a service matter, my lord, involving retrospective promotion under Karnataka High Court Service Rules 1973, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, on 28/1/2013, the petitioner was considered for the promotion to the post of FDA, my lord. But he was eligible from 26/8/2009. But he was eligible from 26/8/2009.
Yes.
He was considered only on 28/1/2013, my lord. Thereafter, we filed a writ petition, my lord, to consider our representation. My lord, kindly look at page 53. This is a final seniority list of second division assistants, my lord.
Yes.
Serial number 22 assistants, my lord.
Yes.
Serial number 22 T. Srinivas. My lord, our name was already there in the final seniority list, my lord.
What is the name of petitioner?
22, serial number 22 T. Srinivas. My
Yes.
lord. This is the final seniority list.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, we filed a writ petition to consider our representation. We filed 2 representations, my lord. However, the respondent submitted, my lord, that they've already produced a memo, which is at page 47, my lord.
Yes.
Kindly look at the memo.
Yes.
With reference to your
Petitioner filed and a consideration with representative rejected. Therefore, petition dispose of liberty to filed and a consideration with representative rejected. Therefore, petition dispose of liberty to petitioner challenge said memo. Now you have to challenge that rejection of your representation. Memo is only a communication, madam. How can you
Yes,
challenge?
my lord. That we've already filed a writ petition for that, to consider our representation.
No, see, now they said that your representation is rejected. You have to challenge that rejection order, not that memo.
But, my lord, we're challenging the representation as well, my lord, in
Now,
this.
what is that you are challenging here?
Representation and the memo, my lord.
How can they challenge memo? Madam? It's
My
an
lord-
advocate who has filed in a memo.
A copy of which,
Earlier order, there is the challenging, permitted to challenge memo. That cannot be. Says, committee has taken a decision
yes, my lord.
by passing a resolution, your request has been rejected.
Yes, my lord.
That has been stated in that memo it has placed. You have to challenge. That has been stated in that memo it has placed. You have to challenge that resolution passed by the committee, not that memo.
My
Yes,
lord,
Mr. Nagarale, who is appearing?
Santosh S. Nagarale, serial number 55.
Where is that?
He was in online, Lord, and earlier.
Yes, he was there. But this is what that order passed earlier.
my lord, any date may be given, my lord.
My lords, appearing for the respondent, my lords.
Yes. What is your say, Mr.?
My lords, we have filed the statement of objections, my lords. It
No,
will be
you are
taken
not.
up.
The consequences, I would delete respond number. The consequences, I would delete respond number 3 mail. Because I have not sought for any relief against them.
Who has?
The government is the appointing authority,
No,
and
who
my
has
lord, the
passed?
disciplinary authority is the government. But in the previous case also before the division bench, only the state is the party. But without knowing, my lord, we have implemented the corporation. I have not sought for any relief. I will file a memo to delete with the risk of my petitioner.
Lord.
Yes.
If he wants to delete him, I have no objection for that. But so far as the appointment is concerned, because they are working in the corporation.
That's all. They are working in the corporation. They have no right, my lord. They are not the disciplinary authority.
They are not civil servants. But they are not ultimately the employees of the corporation and the director of municipal administration.
what the control they have got, let them say, my lord, before the court. By oversight, I have implemented.
No. I would say that one important aspect was not taken into consideration in the earlier order. That is why
My lord, 3 charges were framed in the earlier order, whereas in
now on the merit earlier order which is not considered, I cannot do it. It is division bench order. That's what that. That is why, my lords, in this case, but since I am responding. No, that order may be not correct. But that order itself is not applicable to this case. If you distinguish, it is different. That is why, even I would like to file also objections. Even I would like to file also objections.
I am deleting, my lord. Why should my lord troubling my learned friend?
Yes.
I am deleting. I am deleting.
You file an
At the risk of the petitioner, your lordship may say so.
Yes. Yes, Mr.
ನನಗೆ ಅದೇನೋ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋ ಮಾರಮ್ಮನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ.
ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
I'll file a memo.
Memo taken on record. Respondent number 3 is deleted at the risk of the petitioner. Yes. Release this matter on 10th of April. Yes. 64. Yes. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ let it be there on record ಅಂತ
ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
Yes.
Serial number 59 adjourned. Serial number 60 Rajaram Suryambail for petitioner MS Devaraju. Serial number 60.
60. Yes. Permitted to amend your amendment matter, Nagaraj. Yes, what is this, Mr.? Nobody is there. Yes, none appear for the petitioner. Please this matter after 2 weeks. Nobody is there. Yes, none appear for the petitioner. Please this matter after 2 weeks. ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ? No, you are appearing for whom? You are appearing for Jilla Panchayat. Appear for 2 to 4. Office is directed to show his name. Yara. I'll admit clarify. Yes.
Serial number
Devraj, MS Devraj submits that he will take note. He is appear only for 1 and 5. Nagarajappa is only for 1 and 5. Nagarajappa is undertaken to appear for 2 to 4. Yes.
Serial number 61 Prabhu Pujar S for petitioner.
Appear for the
And
petitioner.
Praveen Kumar.
Yes.
Your lordship. This matter can kindly have it after vacation, your lordship.
Yes.
Any one
At
date.
the request of counsel for the petitioner, leave this matter after vacation.
One date, your lordship.
23rd. Yes.
Serial number 62, 63, 64 adjourned. Serial number 65 Ravi Kumar GH for petitioner, government advocate. Serial number 65.
Appearing for R3, your lordship. R3 is Bar Council of India.
Yes, Ravi Kumar. Yes, none appears for the petitioner. Please this matter after 2 weeks.
Serial number 66 Srinivasan K for petitioner, TP Muttanna. Serial number 66.
This could be taken, my lord, after it.
Serial number 66.
This could be taken, my lord, after it. On the last occasion, your lordship has heard this matter and directed me to place the judgment.
66.
This could be taken, my lord, after it. On the last occasion, your lordship has heard this matter and directed me to place the judgment of Supreme Court
Yes.
regarding termination of temporary.
24th.
First week of first or second week, my lord. First or second week, my lord, because.
Second week 16th.
Please.
Yes.
Lord, because.
Second week 16th.
Please.
Yes.
In writ appeal number 1555 of 2016, annexure Z8, my lord, 272 page, ink page number 272.
Yes.
In this matter, they have taken voluntary retirement. Agrocon to the other the case BCL.
Yes.
Kindly see the order at the relevant portion is at page number 347, my lord. Ink page number 347, order passed by the division bench. This is in respect of extending the 5th pay commission to the employees. (347), my lord.
Yes.
The writ appeal filed by the appellant petitioner are allowed. The impugned order dated 12/9/2013 passed by the learned single judge in writ petition number so and so are hereby set aside. Endorsement at annexure dated 12/9/2013 passed by the learned single judge in writ petition number so and so are hereby set aside. First pay scale with effect from 1/4/2006 to October 2010. The appellant petitioner are entitled for all the benefit including gratuity in accordance with law. This was the order. Based on the parity, I am entitled because they were in the worst condition that they filed a voluntary retirement and they have not served the institution after 2012. But in my case, I have served the institution. Thereafter, I was deputed to case BC. So now I am entitled for the 5th pay commission as per the order of this honorable court division bench, and I am also seeking additional relief. But I am also entitled for 6th pay commission because I have given the representation to the respondent. One kindly see at annexure Z7, my lord, page number 270. This is the representation given by all the petitioner. There are 3. First one, ವೇತನ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಹಣ ದಿನಾಂಕ 1/4/2012 ಇಂದ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ದಿನಾಂಕದವರೆಗೆ. ಎರಡನೇದು ರಜಾ ಗಳಿಕೆ ನಗದೀಕರಣ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ 15 ದಿನಗಳಿಗೆ 2012ರಿಂದ 2020ರವರೆಗೆ ಒಟ್ಟು 8 ವರ್ಷಗಳದ್ದು. ರಜಾ ನಗದೀಕರಣ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ನಂತರ 300 ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ 6ನೇ ವೇತನ ಆಯೋಗ ವೇತನ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಿ ಕೊಡುವುದು. ಗ್ರಾಚ್ಯುಟಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಹಣ ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ ವೇತನ ಆಯೋಗ ಆದೇಶದಂತೆ. PF ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಹಣ ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ ವೇತನ ಆಯೋಗ ಆದೇಶದಂತೆ PF ಇದು. So this was the representation filed by the petitioners, yes, and which is pending consideration, which is not yet been no order has been passed on this the representation. Yes. Now 2 things, my lord. One, I am entitled for 5th pay commission as per the order of this division bench of this honorable court. Yes. Second, my representation is still pending before the first respondent that to consider my representation for 6th pay commission. Yes, Mr. One submission, my lord. That is, in which case this petitioner, who are the appellants in the writ appeal, they have filed another writ petition for the interest on that amount. That is pending before court on number 13. I have verified today also. It is serial number 44. Now they have taken the amount of 5th pay.
Secondary.
Interest is part ado.
First,
they have taken already. They have taken the amount.
Then they are entitled for 6th pay commission.
6th pay commission was not.
It was not a subject matter of the writ appeal, but my submission is because equal pay, equal work, because my junior person who is under my cadre, they asked 3/4 hearing date that they have not filed the objection. Still today they have not filed the objection. 3/4 hearing date that they have not filed the objection. Still today they have not filed the objection. Statement of objection.
If they have, I think they don't have any objection.
No objection at all. For 5th pay they have no objection.
Because in similar matter you have paid.
All the contention were taken before the division bench, which has been rejected by the court.
Yes.
Please. Oblige.
Serial number 69, SV Prakash for petitioner, Belli R. Serial number 69.
Right, it was adjourned to today, last Friday.
For what purpose?
My lord, the request of university.
Yes. State government, do you have any role in this? Then we will have it after vacation. Is this point number 2? Is this matter on 14th, 13th.
Serial number 70, Kashinath JD for petitioner, Subramani MA.
I appear for the.
Now nobody is there for petitioner.
I informed my learned friend also that I will be serving him the copy.
Serve copy.
I'll serve it and file it in.
When do you want?
Any after vacation.
Is this matter on 23rd?
Please.
23rd.
Please.
71, Bala Subramania KM for petitioner, Pradeep S. Saukar.
I appear for the petition in this case.
I appear for the respondent.
This case, petitioner joined this respondent public sector undertaking from another public sector undertaking on 8/5/2008.
Yes.
The only question is, his pay was protected at the time of joining. And pay revision was happened subsequently with retrospective effect.
With copy of the rejoinder, Lord, I haven't gotten the chance to read through it. May I request, my Lord, your Lordship to fix a date. I will also file my synopsis and argue.
This is covered by the Supreme Court decision also, this pay.
In fact, my Lord, there are government directives not to include additional increments in basic pay while refixing the pay. That I have, my Lord, followed equally in respect of all lateral inductments in respect of all public sectors. He being one of the public sector inducting in corporation. My Lord, based on that, I have carried out. Now, my Lord, I'll just go through these
Now
rejoinders
that
also.
now they are recovering or what?
No, my Lord.
I have superannuated
I have
for- I
simply said
recovered for
that
2
because
years.
I have not included additional increments granted in your previous organizations in your basic pay.
Yes.
My Lord, I have not done this for any class of employees, not just the petitioner. All inductees from lateral organization, because that is my policy. My Lord, because I have not done so, Lord, you are also not entitled to. Lord, that is my case based on which, my Lord, this refixation has happened. Lord, that he's saying is bad in law because my basic has to be protected.
Now, by refixation, now that refixation in prospective or you are doing in the retrospective?
Lord, I have, in fact, my Lord, if your Lordship see the impugned order at Annexure K, this is dated, my Lord, 2010.
Annexure P also I challenge it is in
K, 2010, as on the date when he had joined the services. 10 years later, he has questioned it.
No, that is true.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have challenged.
It's a second round litigation. Earlier, a direction was issued.
He worked in Visakhapatnam.
On that direction, blood endorsement is issued.
Yes.
On the ground that blood a financial
Yes.
mentioning about the financial condition.
Where is that endorsement? Annexure?
1997.
And that continues all the endorsements are there similar
Yes.
continuously have produced.
Yes.
13/7/2023.
Yes. Read. Last.
The relevant
Yes. KSCDCL is finding
Yes.
difficult to pay the salary to the employee.
finding it difficult to pay the salary to the employees because of the financial constraints. There is no support from, it is very small corporation with only 18 members on its permanent roll and some 39 of the casual basis. The corporation has to generate its own income to run the show. Corporation is under loss to the tune of rupees for so and so. That this ground is not a ground to deny the regularization that was held by Apex Court recently.
Yes.
That was also considered. That with regard to other grounds that is also covered with reference to the Honorable Supreme Court, that each point is covered.
What are that other ground?
Other ground is with regard to referring to the Uma Devi's case.
Yes.
You are not, there is no C&R rules. And you are not appointed regularly as per the C&R rules.
Yes.
Blood, it's well settled principle that C&R rules is not a sine qua non
Yes.
for appointment or recruitment.
Yes.
For having appointed and continued for more than 2 decades.
Yes.
And a ground blood, that's my submission.
No, yeah, Mr.
Even blood in respect of the
Gangadhar,
same
in the
institution.
same institution, it is disposed of.
Yes, my lord, here we
They
have
were
filed-
also regularized the some of the employees also.
we have challenged the order passed by the learned single judge, my lord, by filing writ appeal in number 1072 of 2025, my lord. It is pending before the division bench.
Now you have filed an appeal.
Yes, my lord, we have filed writ appeal.
Appeal is pending, Mr. That order has been challenged now.
That annexure of March, 25th March 2025,
And one more submission, my lord.
988 of 2019.
The initial appointment itself is irregular. The question of regularization and extending other benefits doesn't
Now
arise.
that, following that, we have disposed of. Now that judgment they have challenged.
That's even no notice. Even notice is not ordered.
It is pending, it is pending.
Definitely, I can tell.
Yes, what is the number, Mr.?
1072 of 2025, my lord.
Yes.
Nothing number. Nothing number.
Yes, let us see. There is an appeal.
It is not lying. Blood.
Now,
Once a matter is admitted or notice is ordered, that can be construed. It is even not even objections are not complied.
is it, you
Yes.
know that when it is filed? What is the date of filing, Mr.?
Supreme Court referring to all those earlier Supreme Court judgment is Dharam Singh versus State of UP. After that, there is no judgment.
No,
I
after
verified.
that, division bench of this court recently has followed the Tuma Devi and dismissed that. Therefore, now that
That once Supreme,
they have moved that matter before that.
I'll
with
mention the
reference
case
to my,
number, my lord, for if
my
they want
little
to.
knowledge goes.
6149 of,
The latest judgment of Supreme Court is binding.
No, there are
not
Supreme
over a
Court-
constitution bench decision.
Supreme Court judgments.
Constitution judgment is also considered. If necessary, I can argue even now itself.
After arguing that, division bench of this court,
Has taken divergent
considering
views.
that bench of this court,
Has taken divergent
considering
views.
that Tuma Devi as well as
Latest
that-
judgment is in the August.
this is latest last month, not last month, last week.
And
Second
if
court
all
has
the
passed.
judgments of this court is not considered, which was confirmed by before the apex court,
Yes, now
that
therefore.
cannot be a judgment. It's a per incurium.
Yes, let us see.
We
that.
can argue that as a per incurium.
Yes, we'll consider. On 14th, we have posted all this matter.
14th.
Yes, we have posted all that matter on 14th.
Please.
Yes, read this matter on 14th. Yes.
ಅದು ಯಾವ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು.
Yes, you second court ಒಂದು division bench ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
We can
Please.
make submission with regard to that to assist the court.
Yes, yes.
Blood, I never
No,
said
now
that I will
that-
arguing.
No, there are two different judgment of division bench. Therefore, they are requesting the Chief Justice to constitute larger bench to decide that. You can
But the same
assist in that.
situation arose when ML cases came. And there in
To employ a person and continued for a 2 or 3 to employ a person and continued for a 2 or 3 decades.
That is in respect of the second condition. I will point out, Malad, this is the stand of the government. The first condition that it should be irregular
Then
and not
they
illegal.
court
and
required
I'm
to
only
sack with
assisting.
heavy cost for having do that act.
Let us see on that.
It is their act.
Malad, an exception has been carved out in respect of the second condition, that it should be against a sanctioned post. Because if the government does second condition, that it should be against a sanctioned post. Because if the government doesn't create sanctioned post, despite taking the service for a very long time, period of time, then it means that
1992
government is
itself,
taking
that
advantage of its own wrong. There is a valid exception
considered with
in that
reference to
respect.
condition.
Yes, let us see on that. Yes.
Serial number 74, Rajakumar Empire petitioner, Lomesh Kiran N.
My lords, appear for the respondent, my lords, in this matter.
Yes.
My lords, your lordship recollects, my lords, this was a case where the other side sought for time on the ground of, my lords, the territorial jurisdiction point that we had raised. Because, my lords, the entire cause of action has arisen, my lords, either in Visakhapatnam or other jurisdiction, but certainly not in Bangalore, my lords.
Yes.
Because the authority, my lords, was based in Visakhapatnam. He was employed
He
there.
is worked in the HR. He is throughout India, my lordship, he is worked. He is throughout India, my lordship, he is worked.
Yes.
This is not a state.
Yes.
This is not a state government employee. He is a central government. This is under the central government jurisdiction. This is my lordship. He is the 72-year-old. He residing with son in Bangalore.
Yes.
That is why this honorable court is a judicial to entertain this application.
You are employee of what?
Engineering of India. EIL.
Engineering of?
Engineer India Up Limited.
The respondent number?
Both, my lord.
Only one respondent. 1, 2, 3.
In charge of the Engineering India
That
Limited.
is come under Union of India.
This what this office branches is having
Throughout India.
in
Bangalore also.
you have worked
He is
here.
worked Bangalore also.
This is not that particular cause of action
Yes,
arises
if,
in the particular place. Now that is entire service benefit is
Please, my
seeking,
lord.
Mr. He has worked
Lords,
here also.
may I just make the submission, my lords, with your permission? My lords, firstly, the submission that he has worked in Bangalore, my lords, is incorrect. And I can say that, my lords, responsibly after looking into the records. Even the documents produced by my learned friend along with the petition, my lords, not a
Yes.
single document shows he has worked here. On the contrary, my lords, he has worked in Vishakhapatnam, and that too way back in 1997. So that submission, my lords, one is incorrect. Secondly, my lords, on the last date of hearing, I have, my lords, one is incorrect. Secondly, my lords, on the last date of hearing, I have produced some Supreme Court judgments, my lords, including Alchemist versus State Bank of India. Your lordship will kindly see, my lords, the compilation at page number 67.
If the departmental inquiry, which has been arises on so and so date, where he has working, there is a cause of action. He's saying that entire is service benefit. Then how can you say that cause of action is arises only when he is in the Bangalore also he has paid?
No,
He
my
has
lords,
taken salary.
respectfully, till the time that he was employed, my lords, not a single day he has worked in Bangalore. Your lordships may
Yes,
take my
Mr.
submission
My
on
lordship,
record.
head office is New Delhi.
No. He's saying that you are not worked in Bangalore. What is
Not a
that
single
meaning?
day, my lords. Not a
Yes,
single
yes.
day.
Mangalore. He is worked in Mangalore branch.
Where is that?
It's all over India. What?
No, you have engaged the council, mister. You just
Where is
inspect
that?
him and
Page number 11.
Page number 11, kindly see, my lord.
11 in what?
In writ petition.
Yes. Where is that?
In second para,
Page number 11.
please, my lord. Second para,
Yes.
the petitioner submit that from 11/4/1995 to 5/8/97, served with the respondent company in the construction division for their various project, namely OED Mangalore.
Yes, mister.
That is
Yes.
project, my lords.
Huh?
That is with respect to the project.
Within the territorial jurisdiction of Patna High Court.
That's what that. If part of cause of action arises here, you can file it. You are seeking for a service benefit.
Please.
If your office is in Bangalore, you have worked here, then it's a part of the cause of action.
This is head office is only Delhi.
No, head office. See, head office alla office ilde ididru kuda. That is not the case. Where the cause of action arises is that this is the cause of action in respect of the service condition.
Here, my
Only
lordship.
where there is an office you have worked.
Yes, if my lordship, I am go to CIT, then only that question is arise. This is 226, my lordship. Your lordship can entertain. I can't.
No, it is not.
If my lordship, I am worked in Maharashtra, if I filed the case in Bangalore, that is the my lordship different. Here, my lordship, I am worked throughout India. I am residing in my residence in Bangalore along with my son.
No, see, in Article 226(2) is concerned.
Please.
It is not that as CPC Order 20, that where you are residing, the defendant is residing here, the part of the cause of action arises within that state, you can file an.
Even my lordship, my continuous email, my lordship, the petitioner sought for where I have gone to approach. They have never answered till filing this objection.
Yes. No, anyhow, we'll have it next week. Tomorrow I am deciding that matter in regarding
State Bank of India.
Page number
29.
Yes. Read.
Next, please, ma'am. The deceased petitioner continuously receiving the pension for the last 8 years.
29, from the facts of the present case,
Yes, ma'am.
we are considering opinion that part of the cause of action arises within the territory jurisdiction of Patna High Court. Petitioner was continuously receiving the pension from last 8 years in that saving bank account in the State Bank of India.
The stoppage.
And stoppage of the pension of the so and so is affected in that so and so. Now you are getting the pension.
Yes, 1,000 they have given.
No, pension is you are getting in Bangalore only.
No, that is my lordship is through bank what that my lordship online is received the pension.
No, your bank account is
That
here.
address is not given. Bangalore address is not given. They have not changed the address. When he retired, only they have maintained that account.
No. See, which is the bank which is the amount
Bank
is remitting?
State Bank of India, Hyderabad.
State Bank of India, Hyderabad, not Bangalore.
Bangalore address is.
We will see after vacation. Yes.
Very well.
Yes.
Second parameter, pursuant to the aforesaid order, the Tahsildar Harapanalli has issued a communication on 9/8/2020
No,
addressed to the
57.
57, page number 57. Annexure N, my lords.
ಎರಡೆರಡು ಪೇಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
Annexure N, order of the this one, contempt, 62 of 2022.
59 page. Yes.
Pursuant to the aforesaid order, the Tahsildar Harapanalli Taluk Harapanalli has issued a communication dated 9/8/2020 addressed to the Deputy Commissioner, Ballari District, informing that a sum of rupees 7,32,588 is payable to the Venkobarao, the present petitioner before this honorable court, the complainant number 1 in the present matter, and has thereby requested for further orders and directions to the matter. Similarly, the Deputy Commissioner, Ramanagara District, Ramanagara, addressed to a Principal Secretary, Revenue Department, recommended the release the sum of rupees 6,60,000 payable to the Puttam, the second petitioner here, my lords. And by another communication dated 13/12/2021, the Tahsildar are payable to the Srimati Padmavati, the third petitioner before this honorable court, madam. Later, the counsel for the complainant submits that despite the aforesaid recommendations, proposes the respondent number 5 has not taken any action constraining the complainants to approach this honorable court. Further, the learned counsel for the complainant made oral prayer for amending the cause title, and considering the above referred facts, we deem fit appropriate to issue notices at this stage to the respondent number 5, making the same returnable on 17/1/2024. And this is important. The last parameters, considering the facts that the complainants before this honorable court are their advanced age of, and their age was ranging from 73 to 80. That has been dropped, minutes.
Why?
Respondent, the council on portal number 1, there was a matter, no session was there. Before portal 2, the matter came up before, and that we have considered the case, the contempt was dropped without hearing my submission.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ ನೀವು ರಿವೈವ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ you could have filed a revival for the contempt done.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ at that time ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಕೇಳಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. I have filed, but the matter was not considered by the learned judge, my lords. Again, not this honorable court. They are the petitioner before on 85 years, my lords.
Yes, Mr. What is this?
We'll file our statement of objections. He wants to be promoted, and then his pay is to be refixed and pension has to be given, my lord.
Why promotion he has not been given? Or
yes, he is challenging the promotion, the order of promotion of the fourth respondent at annexure L.
Illa, there is no
here
promotion.
He is not challenging anything.
Illa.
Only mandamus he is seeking.
Serial number
So release that 12% interest kodi delay payment ige
76 serial number.
I'm sorry, madam.
The only delay payment is seeking for an interest, Mr. Serial number estida?
Serial 76.
76, yes, it's the government.
Annexure K, my lord, your lordship kindly have a look at. In similarly situated cases, my lords, check was issued, my lords. In the year 2017 itself, the matter was decided and check was issued. Annexure L is the check issued, my lord, 4,49,866, my lords.
You have instruction, Mr.
But I'll get instruction. We have already filed statement of objections.
I'll get instruction. Is aged about 85 years, 90 years.
Annexure M, your lordship kindly have a look at.
I thought
Allah, then consider ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. My prayer is that.
What is that annexure M?
Annexure M, the order passed by the learned judge in the year 2020, directing the respondents to consider the case of the petitioners.
Kelly the annexure M.
Annexure M, page number 52 minutes. 53 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 54 ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Learned counsel for both the parties should submit that issue involved in this petition is covered by the judgment.
Judgment of the Son.
In the light of the opposite submission and term of the judgment possible learned courts are allowed respondents state to comply with that order. What is that judgment, Mr. Covered by this? Yadada.
For the interest on pension.
Illilla ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ copy.
I am not having now right now.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದು ಏನು directions ನೋಡೋಣ. In terms of that we'll say that
directing the respondents to consider.
ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡ ಹೇಳಿ, ನೀವೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋದಾರೆ ಇನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೋದು? Should I not see what is that order, Mr.? I should not make again one more mistake, Mr.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು There was a direction, conditional
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
order.
ಏನನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಏನನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ದಾನೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, petitioners from the date of relief, from date of interest on ಇದು pensionary benefits ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ, from the date of order till the date of realization 12% is to be paid.
ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾವು ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ similar matter they have directed to give that interest, it can be considered ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
I've seen Shanbog matters, actually maybe there is a judgment in his favor, my lord, but this matters they go to KT and come before the division bench of this.
Only thing is that
division bench also passed the order.
now there is a direction to pay that. For the delay payment, he has referred earlier, this court in connected matters said, in other connected matters, there is already a direction to pay that delayed payment interest. That
check was issued.
It is that we can
in KS case, and I have produced the judgment.
You will have it on 10th.
Please.
Yes, you produce that judgment.
Please.
Yes.
Serial number 77, Srikanth MP for petitioner, SV Giridhar.
And the council appearing on behalf of respondent number 5 and
yes, madam.
77 senior held up in another portal. So after vacation on date fixed.
may submit, my lords. We are amicably settling this matter. So hence it may be posted after vacations, my lords.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 27th, yes. ಅವರು ಆರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು yes.
Serial number 78, Vaishali Hegde for petitioner, HR Shauri.
Petitioner, my lords. This matter may be taken up after vacation, my lord.
Yes, leave this matter of vacation. Yes,
Grateful, my lord.
Serial number 79, Somashekhara for petitioner.
During the pendency of the writ petition, my lord, government respond number 1 directed the respond number 2 to continue the services, my lord. I'm filing.
Continue. Consider ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವರ್ಡ್.
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು
ನೋಡಿ.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, last annexure, my lord, in page number 15, my lord.
15, yes.
Yes, my lord. ಪಾದಾದಿಕ ಬಹುಜನ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಬಂಧು ಹಿತರಕ್ಷಣಾ ಸಂಘ ಮುಖ್ಯ ರಸ್ತೆ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ ನಗರ ಇವರು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಸಚಿವರಿಗೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ 9/9/25 ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿರುವ ಮನವಿ ಪತ್ರ ಇದನ್ನು ಲಗತ್ತಿ ಸದರಿ ಮನೆ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಮನವಿ ಪತ್ರ ಇದನ್ನು ಲಗತ್ತಿ ಸದರಿ ಮನೆ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಬಂಧು ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ನೇಮ
ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಮಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, ನಾವೇನು ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ
ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಮಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ
ಅದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಲು ಕೋರಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಸಹ ಕೂಲಂಕು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ ನೇಮಕಾಗಿ
ಸಚಿವರಿಂದ
ನಿರ್ದೇಶನಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಲಂಕುಷವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ
ಕಮಿಷನರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, withdraw that they will consider.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
can't issue any mandamus on the basis of the letter issued by that minister or
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆಪ್ತ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ. yes the
ಆಪ್ತ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು? ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಅವರು. Can I issue mandamus on that basis, Mr.? If you want to work out there, you can work it out there with that directions. We can't direct them on the basis of that, Mr. They may consider on request and beg. If the government order is issued on persuasion of that, ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ
ಅವರು
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ annexure Q lordship kindly turn to annexure Q, my lord.
ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ minister has also issued the order, my lord. Annexure Q, my lord. Annexure Q dated 18/8/23, my lord. In page number 7, my lord.
For them to consider, we can't give
ಅಲ್ಲ
direction.
the minister himself has directed to continue the services, my lord.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Otherwise you keep it this pending. If they are not
order, my lord.
ಇವರು ಔಟ್ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವರು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ.
My lord,
There is a tender
we have
given
been
to the
invited
company.
application, we have been appointed, my lord.
ನೀವೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ
ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Today, two letter he is produced that, my lord. It says only that to implement the project which is given by the state government and central government, we have to implement in coordination with the DPR and the labor department, my lord. That was, they have given a wish to that we will wish to complete this project along with you, so we can start this project ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಾನು ಓದ್ದೆ ಒಂದು.
ಈಗ ಏನು ಲೆಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ,
ನಾನು ಒಂದೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಓದ್ದೆ, ಅದ್ರಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
Is only that my lord, that project has to be because that ಆ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ
ಅದೇ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ. ಆ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ that scheme is only given to the ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೇಬರ್ಗೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
ಈ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
For the same work, my lord, they have been invited tender, my lord, despite their being an entry model.
No, have you seen this letter given by that personal secretary?
Lord,
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಬಂಧು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
No, if it is not legal, don't mislead them to give that, you know. See, again, they're all that happy that it will be continued and all. They're all depending upon the family. If it is not legally permissible, if this assurance given is not correct. Now that they're all happy, even Somsekhar is also happy that they can be regularized and all.
There isn't there.
Yes,
We will see, my lord.
we'll see after 2 weeks. Let us see if they government pursue the government and pass any order, then you
Please, my lord, applications may kindly be taken under.
you secure that.
My lord, they have procured the documents today, my lords. I'll file it by tomorrow, my lords. Can you have it immediately after vacation, my lords?
Where is
My
that?
lords, kindly appreciate that copies was furnished on the my learned friend day before yesterday. Not
My lords,
today.
we have received officially from KPTCL legal cell today, my lords. The
My lord,
exhibits
this
in
is a
departmental
case
inquiry
where-
of the petitioner herein, my lords.
My lord, this is a case where an allegation of misappropriation made, but there was no misappropriation as such. The amount of 6 crores 32 lakhs was what deposited by the municipality Davangere was totally deposited in the account of the KPTCL. my lords. It is
Yes,
it is there in that.
He wants to show the documents. Where is he?
My lords, your lordship may kindly go to the article of charges.
No,
where-
that, see,
My lord-
now only that issue is whether that amount has been remitted to different consumers. That is what that we want to verify.
Different consumers, the meter, the RR numbers, which were the amount was deposited with respect to the KPTCL RR numbers only were also long disconnected and demolition buildings which were demolished on the unauthorized occupants level.
No, where is
respondent force, file under respondent force, file already is in the DPC, my lord, as for the consideration. Kindly have it after 3 weeks, my lord, so that
My lord.
they are keeping it pending, my
My
lord.
lord, I am the eligible person in the said institution, my lord.
Hmm.
They have brought in the some other institution, my lord, annexure L, my lord.
That's challenging.
My
Annexure
lord,
L, I have challenged annexure L.
my lord, firstly, I want to ask the NOC. The petitioner doesn't have a NOC. As respondent 4 has obtained NOC in the year 2018 only, my lord.
No, wait, I will hear you, Mr. Let me understand what is the case. I don't know the case. Yes, what is this, Mr.?
My lord, I have appointed in the year 2014, my lord, as per annexure A. Next, annexure B, my probation has been completed, my lord. Annexure C, my lord, I have transferred from Koppal to Chitradurga, my lord. Annexure C.
Which department you are working, Mr.?
I am working as a assistant professor in the medical college, my lord.
Yes. Chitradurga Medical College.
Yes, my lord. Next, annexure D,
ಸರಿ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರುವ ಸಹಾಯಕ
it is reported for duty, my lord. Next, annexure F is time bar granted by the very important, my lord. It is C&R rule. For associate professor for the newly established colleges institution through direct J is the C&R rule. This is called for draft rule. It is called for so and so. Next, annexure is number 30, my lord. Associate professor, 5 years PG post experience.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗಪ್ಪ? What is that you are challenging now, Mr.?
No, he is transfer, my lord. Annexure L.
ಯಾಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು?
I am the eligible for promotion. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
I have filed
Just
detailed objection to that regard, my lord.
May I submit, my lord, may I submit?
Yes, yes. What is this, Mr. Ragnar?
My lord, your lordship may kindly see, I am already assistant professor in this college. I am next eligible for associate professor as per the seniority list, my lord. Now the respondent who is already associate professor in some other college is sought to be brought by transfer to this college. The government order which my learned junior pointed out says that you cannot transfer if there is a eligible person promotion in that college, you cannot bring some other person from another college, my lord. So this person who is now coming to my college is a person who is already associate professor in that college. He cannot come to this college, avoid preventing my promotion in this college, my lord. That is the government order, which one of the conditions of the government order is that you cannot try to get another promotion after coming to this college, my lord.
No, if he is promoted, then that post will become vacant. You can occupy, Mr.
Then he will become senior to me in this college. That cannot be done, my lord. He is very
I should be senior.
Yes, let us see that.
Yes, number 82, MC Nagashri for petitioner, Rakshita DJ.
Yes.
For the respondent number 5, my lord.
Yes, after 2 weeks, none appear for the petitioner.
Lord, this matter is not maintainable.
Huh?
Maintainable ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Why?
What they challenge that is the company has relieved them, Lord.
Private company.
ಹೌದು. Page number 19, my lord.
ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಇದೆ ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 82 ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ರೀ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಂತದ ಸ್ವಿಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ವಾಚ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಏನದು
Lord, kindly see the page number 19, my lord. 19. They have relieved, my lord. They are hired by the hospital, that is no doubt, my lord. But on the outsourced
Annexure C na?
E, Swami. Annexure E. This they have challenged.
Wow, private security service, it's an independent order passed by them.
Has issued the order notification, my lord, on 16/3/2024, which has been stayed by this honorable court. He has been removed from service. This honorable court has held that if there are any allegations or that the charge would amount to stigma, then they would hold an inquiry. That is the point involved. Your lordship, kindly see the impugned order at annexure T, page 52, dated 16/3/2024.
Page 20?
52, page annexure T, page 52. Notification.
Yes. Yes.
Your lordship got it, my lord?
Yes.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಗೃಹ ರಕ್ಷಕಲಾದ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಗೌರವ ಸಮಾದೇಶದಿಂದ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಬಾಬು ಇವರನ್ನು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕಚೇರಿ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಸಮರ್ಪಕವಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಮಾಡದಿರುವುದು, ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡಿರುವುದು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಂದ ಗುರುತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕಚೇರಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ತೃಪ್ತಿಕರವಾಗಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲದಿಲ್ಲದರ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಗೃಹ